Hola bafethu unjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu niyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no.
Sure bafethu kunjani uJuju lo JU nothing less nothing more uphelele lapho.
Yeah. Bafethu on today's episode ngicabanga nani niyabona.
Obvious.
We're talking Orlando Pirates.
Obvious.
Yeah. I think you have been warned on our previous episodes where we ukuthi Black Label we paying revenge, nothing more, nothing less. Yeah. But before we go into the game, kodwa sizoyenza njani lento ejabule ngayo? I-happiness esinikezwa ile team.
Asasilingani. Siyakhuluphala every hour, every second siyakhuluphala nje. Orlando Pirates nayazi. I don't know this thing.
Naku kuthiwa sobulawa i-heart attack. So cause of death uzothi yini ezulwini?
Uzothiwa uthe
too much happiness.
Yeah, mawathi Orlando Pirates wacima.
Yeah, so Pirates fans, you are advised to visit udokotela.
Yeah,
so that uzobalance
how to handle happiness.
You can't handle this so much of happiness. Yeah, man, let's get into it.
Yeah.
What do you make of the game overall performance?
Overall performance, it was a beautiful game.
Yeah.
It was a nice game for me. All in all, over 10, I will give the boys 7.5. Actually 8.
Yeah.
No, 7.5 would be fair. But 7.5 is still a pass, the distinction actually. So all in all, it was a beautiful game. It was nice, and it's more nice when you are in the stadium, where you are able to see the players.
Ungabuka highlights.
Not highlights, and not that. Seeing how they structure themselves, how they build up from the back to the center to attacking. Although there's still some shaky situation, but overall, I think we had a great game. I don't know what do you think? What did you think?
It was a balanced game. I think we can't shy away from the fact that Richards Bay came to the party.
Yeah.
Honestly, second half
especially second half.
Yeah. It's just that they were playing low block. You would expect that all the teams that play against Orlando Pirates, they somehow play a low block. Yeah. Even Mamelodi Sundowns last week, you could see what they now are defending. Yeah. That's the force that we've been, that we've become now. Exactly. That's who we are now. So yeah, I think we had a good game. It's just a matter of fixing in terms of like we attack. We're more on the left. Yeah.
No, that's true. I think about the first half. First half, I was actually there was some point at around 37 minutes where I was angry. I was mad all the time. Why does it look like we're going to the half time without a goal? Because we were playing beautiful football, everything was there except for a goal. You know, I was actually angry, and luckily Umuremi did the thing. Say that guy,
police.
Yeah. Hey,
you watched that pass.
I want to throw your lads. You should say that to our police as well. That guy is everything.
True.
About that guy. It's actually surprising. I heard a story that he quit football, and a certain coach went to ask him to come back. Imagine if that coach did not do that. We would not be watching something like that.
We wouldn't be seeing this.
That guy.
We won't be enjoying.
I want to watch generational talent.
Yeah.
That guy should be included. Not only Umfuking and the likes of Vilakazi and Shabalala. A police should be in that conversation. That guy is a very talented player. Defense, he midfield, he does everything on the pitch. So first half I was expecting at least 2 goals because that's where we held the game. That's where we were too powerful. Second half we played beautifully. We saw the substitution coming in and changing the game, but it wasn't as good as the first half.
Yeah. It was more of like containing what we've already have like keeping the lead. Yes,
Mm.
because Uhoto came with a different dimension. With I understand.
Yeah.
I know people will say, "Hey, you are anti-Hoto." I'm sure now you are
No, it's
laughing
not,
because of that.
exactly. It's not only you. You know, I said this before. Hoto is a player we hate to love. Because when he's supposed to deliver,
I think
he delivers.
Undaba is giving him the competition that we want.
Yeah.
And Uhoto now, because he is
I
realizing,
have competition
yes,
now.
to
I
be
have
honest
to change
with you, yes,
and play much better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If Uzowenzama mistakes and no one corrects you,
and you know,
it's
next game
easy for you to continue making those mistakes.
Yeah.
But if you have, that's a young boy, he had a very good game. Believe me, he had a very good game.
You know,
Coach, I understand why he substituted him, but still he had a very good game.
That's fair.
Yeah. Van Rooyen, our favorite.
Clean tackles, positioning, passes.
Yeah.
Oh, Van Rooyen is one of the best players here with Orlando Pirates, and I'm glad he came back and then he's on form. Because in most cases, if players are injured, they come back and then they don't perform the way they're supposed to, or the way we are used to them perform. But you have Ulibito, you have Umfukeng, you have Van Rooyen. Hey, those guys came back crazy. I don't know what happened.
To show the squad, the happiness within the team, like the togetherness, because everyone wants to play. To be honest, Smelebele is not around these days, but you know when he comes back, he will deliver. That's the competition that the coach has built. A healthy competition, and you cannot shy away from that. It shows this thing. Iona, I was just analyzing this thing through my head this morning. The upper hand that we have over Mamelodi Sundowns right now, or throughout their dominance, is the fact that we can win a cup, which is something that they rarely win, right?
I don't think they even remember when last they won a cup.
Imagine right now, we are competing for a league. You can see now, we are fully on with competition. So, don't you think that if it happens that we take all of them, we'll be better than a Sundowns, which has dominated the league for 8 seasons in a row?
That goes without
you get what I'm saying?
That goes without saying.
Yeah.
That goes without saying. you know why I'm laughing? Because I want to bring Arsenal in the conversation. But I know we are talking about Pirates and PSL, as a great team or a big team, you must make sure that you win something. As much as the league is important, at least Sundowns wins the league. As much as the league is important. But if you win the league 7 times, 8 times, you must win a cup. Even if it seems like a small cup to you, some call it alcohol.
No, we know that's football banter. It's for maybe like a SIM card, MTN8, but they don't have.
Exactly. You see, so competitions like M10 where you play 4 or 5 games or less, you must show that you are a big team. You must win something. If not M10 Black Label, if not Black Label, something.
Yeah, true.
Something, but they don't win anything except for E-League. And this season, I don't think they are going to win anything, unfortunately.
As long as we have this color.
I doubt they are going to win anything this season.
As long as we still have this color in the mix.
So by that definition, this season we are very much better than Sundowns. As much as right now they are number 1 on the league, they're at the helm. But I tell you now, after 15 games, let's see.
True.
First half of the league, let's see what's going to happen. I don't think Sundowns is going to be number 1. It's either going to be Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs. Don't kill me for saying this. But it's either going to be Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs, not Sundowns.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But let's just look at some positives. Guma players. I know we've touched on some of the players, but there are positive things that we've seen. Like, for example, in the absence of Funduli, there is Umbata, which we've been crying for. It's not his ideal position. I saw yesterday, but he actually showed up yesterday, and he played a good game, a very good game.
Very good game for that matter.
But one thing about him, Oyamala, is physical foot.
Yeah. No, that's true. That's true. What I like about my Paris players is like when they are given a chance. Everyone. Bondela yesterday was bro. Like,
in fact, that was my man of the match.
Exactly. Same actually. Same. Hey, Umbule. Everyone, like, they understand. I think they understand the magnitude of the team. They understand the competition. They understand the squad depth.
Yes.
If I wear this badge, if I'm given an opportunity, a chance to be in the starting level,
need to show up.
I need to show, and they show up. They make sure. I mean, I was surprised about Umbata because I thought that position is going to be a challenge for him. But with Umbule there, with Nemtajela, beautiful football, beautiful. And then you have Police actually playing mid attack, overlapping Jalapa. So they just understood how to do. How to play without a defensive, a central defensive mid, Nduli or Makaula. They managed to do exceptionally well.
Another thing that I have to mention, because these days that's what we are known for, bringing up that young talent for development.
Let them dance.
you know where I'm going with this. Last weekend, abanye basalibheka namanje. Yeah, man.
How did he do that?
Yeah, man. And he came, good game, and he calmed things down. I like the way he approached the game because, in fact, he substituted a very important player to us in Namtajel. But he came in, he made those small blocks here and there, which made a lot of difference because that's what we need Namtajela for. He wins you the ball up there in the pitch, which is very important for us because Kubalula for the defenders.
Yeah. No, that's true. That's true. In fact, all our substitutes.
Yeah.
Now Lokanda, Dancing, Mfokeng, who else when they came in? Kwaiba.
We already spoke about the fullbacks.
Yeah. So all the substitutions, but most importantly, the midfielders. The young one, Tutansi and Mfokeng, they came in and they changed the game. Mfokeng was attacking, creating amazing passes. Dancing was blocking and attacking. Yeah, but what I like about Dancing, as much as he's still young, but he's not afraid of anyone.
Exactly.
It's like
the trust that the coach gives him.
It's like the old crooks tells those boys, when you are in the stadium, you all are equal. In fact, you are superior because Pirates is Pirates. And they make sure they're not scared of anyone. They're playing football. That's what he was doing, creating those chances, defending, doing everything.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, I would like to see more of that because even the DLC team is doing well, which means that we might see more players coming into the senior team. Yeah. So yeah, man. With that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, keep those comments going. The support has been amazing over the past couple of months. We are not there yet where we want to be, but with your support, we can only dream. Yeah.
Don't forget to like, to share with your brothers, share with your sisters, share with your boyfriends, your colleagues. All social media platforms, we are there. Yeah.